In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a slide. How to delete a slide. If you're cleaning up a presentation, removing an extra or outdated slide is a quick way to keep your story focused. The process is simple and consistent across most presentation tools, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. Start by looking at the left side of your screen for the slide panel. This is the vertical strip that shows miniature previews of every slide in your deck, arranged in order from top to bottom. Think of it as your presentation's table of contents, but with thumbnails instead of text. It helps you see your overall flow and makes it easy to target the exact slide you want to remove. Click once on the slide you want to delete in that left panel. When you select it, you'll see a clear visual cue that it's active, such as a highlighted border or a different background shade around the thumbnail. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by glancing at its thumbnail image or checking the main editing area, which will display the selected slide full size. This quick check helps you avoid removing something you intended to keep. With that slide selected in the left panel, right-click to open the context menu. From the options that appear, choose Delete. Depending on your software, it might read Delete, Remove, or a similarly worded option, but it will be clearly labeled for this purpose. Once you click it, the slide disappears from the left panel, and the slides that followed it will shift up to close the gap. You'll also see the slide numbering update automatically to reflect the change. Keep in mind that deleting a slide removes everything on it, including any speaker notes or animations attached to that slide. If you realize you removed the wrong one, use the undo command right away to bring it back. After deleting, it's a good habit to skim the surrounding slides to make sure your transitions still feel smooth and that any internal links or references aren't pointing to a slide that no longer exists. That's all it takes. By selecting the slide thumbnail in the left panel and using a quick right click to choose Delete, you can tidy up your presentation in seconds. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to delete a slide with confidence.